DMA, direct memory access. Direct memory access is used to transfer the data from input output unit to the memory. This is the input output unit and data will be transferred to the memory directly without the help of CPU. This is known as directly memory access. It may be vice versa, the data may be transferred from the memory to the input output device with the support of microprocessor, and it will be also be transferred from input output memory to the input output unit to the memory device. This is done by the DMA. DMA technique is basically used to transfer the data in bulk size. Mean to say, if the data is large, if we are having the large amount of data, for transferring the data from input output unit to the memory, this technique is used. But data can be transferred with the help of the microprocessor also. But if we are using the CPU to transfer the data from input output unit to the memory, then it will take time. Okay, so for reducing the time, we will use the technique that is direct memory access. For this, what is the working of this and how it will work? So first of all, you must know how it will be work. So we are having, this is the CPU, and CPU provide the control to this input output device, and after gaining the control from the CPU, the input output unit will be able to transfer the data to the memory, and the data can be transferred from memory to the input output device. For this purpose, HLDA, this is a command, HLDA, hold. The CPU will be in hold position. At this situation, the CPU will be hold, and after HLDA instruction, after obtaining the HLDA instruction, it will provide the overall control to the input output unit or memory. After completing the process, like sending the data from input output device to the memory or memory to input output devices, every data will be transferred from here to here or here to here. That control will be again obtained by the CPU. Okay, so this is the technique which is used by the DMA. DMA, again I am repeating this, the data transferring from input output unit to memory or vice versa without the support of microprocessor is known as direct memory access. In this access, the data will be transferred in the bulk size and the control will be gained to input output unit or memory unit by the CPU. After doing the every work, all the data will be transferred from here to here or here to here. Again control will be obtained by the CPU. That's all about the DMA.